So what should be your very first step to becoming a virtual assistant? That is what we are going to talk about in this video. I know there are a lot of information on how to become a virtual assistant on YouTube, and that could be overwhelming, especially for someone completely new to virtual assistance. And that is why I bring it all down to this one single step that should be your very first step to becoming a virtual assistant. And I believe if you implement this step right, if you do it the way I am going to mention, then you will be on the right path to becoming a successful virtual assistant. And this one important step is start before you are ready. Yep, that's the very first step to becoming a successful virtual assistant. If you listen to all the noise on YouTube, all the tutorials, all the tips and guides on how to become a virtual assistant, then you will get overwhelmed and end up never getting started, because it is true there are a lot of things that you need to learn in order to become a full-time virtual assistant or successful virtual assistant. But it all comes down to getting started before you are ready, because there is no way you are going to be 100% ready. And this is how it goes. The first thing that you need to do today is choose a platform, whether Upwork or Fiverr, and create your freelancer profile. Create your virtual assistant profile on a freelancing platform. This should be your very first step. There are a lot of challenges. To becoming a virtual assistant, especially if you live in Nigeria or other similar countries. But the good news is those challenges are not going to come at you all at once. If you get started, if you did not get started, yes, the challenges are going to come at you all at once. You will get overwhelmed with thinking, how can I write a good proposal? How can I create a good portfolio? How can I do this? How can I do that? How can I overcome this challenge? How can I overcome that challenge? So if you didn't get started, all of those challenges are going to come at you at once. But if you get started before you are ready, then these challenges are going to come at you, but not all at once. For example, if you create your profile today on Upwork, your virtual assistant profile, then you might come across a challenge. The very first challenge is, what shall I offer as a virtual assistant? This should be the first challenge, and it will be easy to overcome the challenge if you do a little research, and you will figure out what you shall start with. The next challenge might be, how can I write my introduction? And you can overcome this challenge also. So those challenges are going to come at you one at a time, or two, maybe three at a time, but that is 100% better than when you wait until you get all of these things sorted out. So your very first step to becoming a successful virtual assistant is start before you are ready. Don't wait until you are 100% ready, because you will never be 100% ready. Start today. Choose a freelancing platform and create your virtual assistant profile there. You will come across these challenges one at a time, and you will know how to overcome these challenges one at a time. If you wait until you overcome all of these challenges, then you are going to get overwhelmed, and you cannot, it won't be possible, because some challenges you will not even know they existed until you get started. So do this. Choose a freelancing platform, create your freelancer profile, create your virtual assistant profile right there, and whatever challenge you come across, then you figure out how to overcome it. And I personally even have a lot of videos on how to do freelancing virtual assistance, writing proposal, creating a portfolio, creating sample project, how to find client. All of those tutorials and guides and tips, I have a bunch of those on my channel. So when you get started, you will be able to look for specific guides, specific videos, specific tutorials on the challenge that you are at the point of overcoming. So what you need to do is shut out all the noise on YouTube and focus on getting started today. Get started today. If you haven't started, start today. Create your virtual assistant profile on a freelancing platform and do something every single day to improve. This is the key point. Do something every single day to improve yourself as a virtual assistant. If you create your virtual assistant profile today, it is not going to be that good, but you will be able to figure out how you can improve it tomorrow. And next tomorrow you are going to be able to figure out what you should improve next on your profile, or how to write a better proposal, or how to take another nice profile image and add it, or how to improve your introduction, or even the services that you should start offering. And don't even worry, don't even care about the services if you don't have enough skills to start operating as a virtual assistant. Don't even worry that much about it, because if you create your virtual assistant profile today, You are not going to find your first client today. It will take you some time. So it will be an opportunity. You have your profile right there on your freelancing platform, and you will be able also to choose the services that you want to start selling as a virtual assistant, and you still have the time to start learning while practicing finding clients. And I promise you, if you do this every day, if you create your profile today and you improve something every single day, then you are going to be on the right path to becoming a successful virtual assistant. And while you are on the process, if you come across any challenge, I am sure I have, even if I don't have a video about it, you will be able to find specific videos on how to overcome any challenge that you come across. And if you have any question also, you can post it in any of my videos and I will be sure to get back to you. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.